Yep. Got this. Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. We got this guy in the back, Ralph. So it's a rainy day, but guess what? We're working on the Miata. Got our first part that we're looking for. What we up to today?
You put on this lip on it, bruh.
Yeah, this front lip. It's gonna look aggressive. This is what, the Garage Very front lip. Should look good. We got the jack. How long do you think it's gonna take?
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
5 minute install.
5 minute install.
Alright, let's get it. Oh, from the front?
Yeah.
Is there like an oil pan?
I don't know. It's like seems like plastic all over it.
So this guy picked this up used. Got a steal for it. Yeah, this is a Garage Very rep. We didn't want to go with the thin one, we wanted to go with a thicker lip so it looks more aggressive. And we'll see when it's on the car. So we're gonna start by jacking up the car. More space. So what, we're just gonna line up and drill it?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's do it. So we have it secured with C-clamps. Now we're about to start screwing it in. The fitment is pretty shitty, but what do you expect from a rep kit? Pressure is on.
Hold on.
Okay, let me hold it. So we have to switch sides to jack up this part. So this replica lip, it barely fits. So we made 3 custom holes over here. And now this part's secured. Gotta do the middle. And gotta do this side. And we're good. Miata's already looking mean.
Here and here. Like 2 holes.
Oh, true.
Yeah. That way these clamp in like.
Oh, for the middle.
Yeah, for the middle.
3 holes on this part. This is some custom work. High beams customs.
Yes, sir.
Making this lip fit because there's like gaps on the sides and we try to close it, and so far so good. So all is left is to drill holes in the middle. See, there's gaps, so we're trying to close that, and then the lip is done. This guy's gonna work. That?
Yeah.
Send it.
Send it.
Oh yeah, you got it. Wait, go again, go again. I don't know if you touched the body.
I did. Yep.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Sure.
So the lip is looking kind of dry. It needs some Vaseline, no?
Vaseline. Some lubrication.
Yep. About to shine that up. Let's see if it works.
You guys measure. Let's give her a quick shake. Let's see. We'll try it on one section. See if it works. I mean, it's not too bad.
Yep, it's coming.
Definitely bringing back a shine in it. Definitely.
Yeah, it actually looks better.
100%. Let's add some more.
Smart thinking, my guy.
For sure, for sure. Put it on your tire, it spits like the crud on it, on your paint. So it's kind of shit. So I don't even use it anymore.
Oh, this is tire shine.
This is tire shine. Yeah. Proper.
Clean us.
Clean us. Okay. Proper. Here. Lower the whippers.
We also tinted these lights. I like how you can see the cage. So dope. But yeah, time to shoot. All done over here. Quick work. So we're gonna bring the car outside, see how it looks. He's just moving the car. Miata's chilling, warming up. I'm chilling. As you can see, a little bit of a drizzle. I wish it was sunny right now, but oh well, car looks good in this lighting. Let's see how the lip looks like. You guys aren't ready. Boom. Just like that, front lip on the Miata. 1 second. Gonna open this up. Pop this up one time. Looks better?
Oh fuck.
Now it looks like a Miata.
Oh fuck. Maybe I have to get my roommates out.
And just like that, quick little install. It was 5 minutes like we said. And yeah, first mod for the Miata. We were looking for this lip for a while, but it was out of stock. But now we got it. Next year we'll put in more work into this car and see where it takes us. So what's next for this car? We want to do the LED lights. What else?
Wheels and tires.
Yeah, wheels. It's probably going to be next summer. Lower her some more. Yeah, we're going to pick up a few interior pieces. Just got to wait on that. And yeah, slowly but surely, this car should be looking like a high beams built.
Beams built, for sure.
Back and hiding. Quick little install, thanks to Ralphie. Time to head back home and do some other things. Alright, so we made it back home safe and sound. Shout out to Ralphie for picking up that lip on the Miata. Looks solid, looks so good. But before we wrap this up, I got one more thing to show you guys for the FA5. It's just in the trunk. Got this box right here. So this right here is the Hasport motor mount, FDRR. As you can see, I went with the 70A. So I just want to open this up. I didn't see what it looks like yet. Hard to do this with one hand, but whatever. Got the paper. More paper. In here. struggle. Here it is. The motor mount, rear motor mount. As you can see, Hasport, made in USA. Looks dope. Shiny, polished. Once again, this is the 70A. So yeah, I went with the 70A. I didn't want to go with the 62 because I feel like it might not be aggressive enough. So I went with the 70A. It should be a little bit more stiffer. This is the race one. And it should be perfect for the Skunk 2 header and full bolt-ons on this car. So all that's left for me to do the header is the donut gasket and maybe an exhaust manifold gasket. And then maybe it'll get installed soon, we'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick little install, plus a little unboxing. Go get your shirts, link in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.